Just screw this sucker down. It's all into metal joists. Boy, I reckon these are cool, eh? Whew, these are cool. Heavy duty. Woo! I'll be going over this with my mud. It'll be a 30mm bed and then my tile of 10mm. I've got to find the centre of my floor and I'll be putting in my puddle flange. Reese, my plumber, will be hooking it up underneath when he comes back to fit off. So I'm able to put it exactly where I want it. That's cool, eh? Ooh! Far out. It's the first time I've screwed into metal joists, and I've been a tiler for 35 years, but I don't always strip out and resheet to this extent. And I'll tell you what, there's nothing wrong with our Zito either. When you're using it, say like once every 3 months, I'm not using it every day. I'm going to screw that off into my bottom, and I'll pull that floor up. Beautiful. And then I bed over the top. It's better than me trying to find the joist under there. This will hold it majorly. Okay, I'll see you when I start on that seat. I'll come back to you. Yo! Don't forget to subscribe. Press the thumbs up button. Love you. See ya.